video. In this video, I am going to teach you about Jetpack Compose. Jetpack Compose will replace using of XML files for Android applications. This will avoid maintenance of layout files, adding themes for layouts and etc. So while using the Compose, there is no XML files to design the layouts. We will do everything inside the Kotlin files, the UI and functional logic, everything will be going inside the Kotlin files. To start Android development with Compose, we need to learn first Kotlin. So to learn Kotlin will not take more than 1 or 2 weeks. I will add the Kotlin tutorial video links or text tutorial links in the description. You can find them and you can learn Kotlin if you are not aware of about the Kotlin. Okay, so Kotlin Compose APIs are stable by the Android, so we can start Android application development with the Jetpack Compose. So this is the Jetpack Compose official site. There it will be giving that what is that. So actually the Compose is mainly compose functions, layouts, material designs and list and animations. So these are like that. So lesson material designs and everything is going here. So to start with Compose applications, so let's you first need Android Studio. So Android Studio, just type in browser, so it will be going looking like this. So we can first download Android Studio. Here is the stable version of Android Studio. Current version is Android Studio Chipmunk patch 2. So and other download options also we have the like for that Windows, Mac, Linux, whatever we want we can download the respected size, download and just accept terms of conditions and then download for that one. So I have already downloaded that Android Chipmunk stable, so I am just starting here. So it will be start the Android Studio. So this is the first window, initial welcome to Android Studio window will become. So let's create a new project. So just tap on here. So it will be showing the window like this. So these are the default templates for the Android applications. So for Compose we have two types of default templates. One is just a wait, yeah, so empty compose activity and other one is empty compose activity with material 3. So they introduce some UI themes with that material. So this is giving that one and this is in the previous state. So just we are going to create just empty compose activity. Just select that one and just press next and give your compose project name, compose tutorial. Let's wait, compose tutorial 1 and just add your package name, then save the location wherever you want. And the compose is, as we discussed, that compose is made up of Kotlin. So just it will be by default it is selected the Kotlin and just change the select the your minimum SDK for your application. So means minimum SDK in the sense the your application will be support up to that API levels. Suppose if it is 21, then the devices with the 19 will not work. So this is the minimum SDK version. So let's default one is 33 and just finish it. So it will be create the project compose tutorial 1 with some basic activity like main activity and just let it is building the project. So just wait for that syncing that one. So this is the default project will having the project structure like this. So this is the default activity so like this. and this is the activity is implemented from the component activity. So this is our uncreate method. This is will start our application. So previously we have here the method like that, set content view, which will be load the view of layout files like, right? So for the compose we are just making set content, and we'll discuss about this component material theme and later, just later. So just remove that, and here everything will be going here, the our UI logic kind of functionality will be under this content method. So we already said that compose is completely depends upon each UI module will be defined as a compose method. So here we are creating the one sample method is greeting. So this greeting having the UI items like text. So in compose whatever the components we want to design the UI, so that we will make it as a function as a compose annotations, then only it will be accepted from this one. So let's call this inside the set content view greeting, and name is hello compose tutorial. So this is what. So here we have the three options like code, split and design. Just tap on split, it will be giving that UI layout for our current compose project. Let's wait for build. So let's see, it is giving that hello Android. Sorry, we have to, so this is a preview, sorry. So we are just changing this preview and just replace this with this one. So now just refresh and build. Wait, default thing is, so we are calling greeting name is called compose tutorial. Let's build. Now you will see our UI layout here is hello compose tutorial, right? So this is the UI preview. So what is the compose and preview annotations is, preview will be giving that our UI immediately we can check how it will be displayed in our devices. So let's, if suppose we want to run in the device, let's say have the created emulator. No, I just starting that one emulator here. So let's run our application. So just wait. Just building that one. Oh, what it's saying is installation on older SDK. So actually what happened is here our API of emulator is 32, but we have mentioned our minimum SDK is 33, right? So just change the minimum SDK to suppose 32 and sync now, and you will see here that error is gone from that. Now we can run on this device. Let's say, look at this, hello compose tutorial is coming. So that will be executing this content view, and this will be he calling that greeting method, right? So it is coming here. Suppose if we want to change some text, so let's see, this is showing preview, so it will be not display on this one. So it will be showing in here like in our design view. What I'm saying, this is preview. Look at this compose tutorial text. So like this we can see the changes of the UI immediately in our design, instead of deploying that application into that device. Like this we can check in. So if we want to change that same thing to our emulator, just saying hello, and now text. Now just run it, apply changes. Now it will be reflected here. So this is what for creating the first compose project with Android Studio. In the coming of next videos we will learn about what are the compose widgets and all the things. Thank you guys.